Good evening, everyone. My name is Lauren Williams. This is for Rec 310 Women in Leisure. So today we're doing our leisure activity, which is car fixing. So as you can see, this is the front of my car, and we're gonna go ahead and pop open the hood. Now, I didn't show popping the hood because everybody's car is different, but usually there should be a latch or like some type of switch. For mine, it's right by the driver's seat, and it's a latch that pops the hood right open. So today, for our how-to, we're going to keep it super, super simple, and we're going to talk about the oil. So just a real quick check. If you want to check your oil, it's actually very simple. So you see this orange right here, and if you look really close, you can see it says engine oil right there on top. So what you're going to do is just gently, you're going to pull this up, and make sure you have gloves on when you do car fixing because it does get messy. So we're going to pull this up. We're going to let the camera focus, and be careful. Try not to get oil all over your engine because that's the last thing you want to do. And we're just going to gently look at this very briefly, and you want to make sure that there's oil on those two dots. So there's two markings right there. Sorry, the stick is flimsy, but you can see those two dots right there, and you want to make sure that there's oil there. And if there's oil under those dots, then you need oil immediately because your car does not have enough. Okay? So now that we've covered oil, another small thing we're going to do is we're going to check our battery. So here's my battery right here. My battery is fairly new. It is dusty, but that's nothing to be alarmed about because, you know, the whole engine is dirty. But when you look at your battery, you want to look right here at this little bolt, kind of right here, and you want to make sure that there's no corrosion around it or anything. And usually you can identify corrosion by like white stuff. And if your battery is corroding, it's not necessarily a bad thing, but it is something you might want to have a mechanic look at. So if you see any white stuff around your battery, you might want to get that looked at. And that is it for our quick how-to today. Thank you. Have a good night.